this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a awesome process video for a YouTube hop that is celebrating Desiree over at her channel. She hit 1,500 subscribers after taking a little bit of a break off. We all need breaks from YouTube and all that fun stuff. And when she got back and she started back in, she got to about 1,500 subscribers. And I know that she's well above that now. But make sure that you go check her down below along with everybody that's participating. The goal for her that she wanted to do was to scraplift her. So I found this layout that was done in 2021, and it has 3 photos, which is what I'm going to do here, and then a bunch of layering and all that. So I have stated before, I'm trying to get Kaylin's summer done. So I grabbed my Fancy Pants Hometown Summer Collection that was done in 2020. I've got some of this. I've got my liquid pearls, the red, the white, and then I just got these in from scrapbook.com, so we're going to try them. And this one is called, it says Black Magic, but that don't look black in there. It looks blue. So we'll try it out. So let's see how I can pull this together. Okay, so here is the process video that I will be going through. Like I said in the first part of this video, I am scrap lifting Desiree, and Desiree's layout is super gorgeous. I absolutely love hers. She is a very simple scrapbooker compared to me. So I took her design, and I could tell, even though that I pulled this off of Instagram, I could tell that she used some type of a sketch, because sketches tend to be something that you can kind of know that, yep, this is a sketch, right? Or have used it because of just the style behind it. So that is exactly what I'm doing here, is that I'm pretty much following her layout like a sketch, because it's so put together like that. So the 4 pictures are the 3 pictures that I decided to pick is of my daughter's hair, and this is last year's was it last year? Yeah, last year's 4th of July. And she wanted me to try to mimic exactly like her hair that she had the year before in 2020. So I did, for the most part, I did do the star, but I did it just a little bit different. I brought it further down her head instead of it being on the side. And then obviously she wore her favorite 4th of July shirt and all of that fun stuff. So that's what the pictures are for her. And then of course she went into the pool all day long that day, and all of her hair is a mess, and yeah. So you will see me use this layout and put all these embellishments down, and then I change it all up. I at first was like, no, I don't like this, blah blah. You know, I love this. I love how this is going. I'm placing these sparklers, these kids, and then I'm like, what is with these kids? Like, I keep looking at them and I'm like, they're weird. Just super duper weird. So then I'm like working on these, working on like the embellishment side of it. But the one thing about Fancy Pants is their collections have been getting, I don't know, some of their embellishments are a little, I don't know, weird. Like these girls, or this girl in this boy's face, I don't know, they're just a little big. And then I was like, no, that ain't gonna work. So then this is where you see a whole change come into play. And I do love at the end how this completely turns out. Completely. I think that once I did it the way I did, it all came together and it made sense, like big time made sense. And I do change up some of these because I realized that this should have been over just a little bit more, and it didn't go over, so then it messed up the sparkler, but at the end it looks really good. So make sure that you go check out everybody that is linked down below that is celebrating Desiree's 1,500 subscribers. YouTube hop. All of that fun stuff will be linked down below, along with the still shots are coming up at the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload regularly, 2 to 3 times a week. I will be starting school here shortly, so it will, kind of slow down just a little bit in the first month of August, which is when we get back to school. But then it'll pick back up again because I am in my last actual class of my master's degree of Master's of Education in Teaching, because I will then be in my student teaching, and then all I do is teach. I don't do anything else. I do get observed and all that stuff, but my counterpart teacher, Ms. Brown, is my mentor through my college, so that makes that work out wonderfully. That way, she knows that I'm transitioning from 3rd to 4th. My school knows that I'm transitioning as well from 3rd to 4th, so that they know that that is where I'm at with that. I'm finishing up all of my other required certifications that I have to take. So I have a couple of things. One of them is like a GCN that I got to finish up, which I should finish up before, actually the day that this goes up. I should finish it, which isn't quite yet on when we go back. So we go back on Thursday of this week when this goes live. So with that Thursday, I should then be able to have that done. I need to finish up my ethics course for teaching, because while I have paid and have taken it once before, they have changed it, and because my certification was not done and my teaching degree was not done, I get to repay for it and literally rewatch everything that is all that we have done already. So that was fun. So instead of it being just $30 out of my teacher pocket, it is $60. Lucky, lucky. So yeah, so now I'm going in with my, like the liquid pearls is the red and the white, and then the pop of color, it's a glitter one, and it looks wonderful. The still shots at the end, I do have some of them in the photo so you can see what they turned out to be. I think that just adding these little dots everywhere is like sparkler type thing, and it works out. I like how I was able to get some of it spread around that house. I think it's perfect. I hope that all of this looks good. I do come in, and this is what I'm leaving you with, is my doodles, because I can't go without it. I was going to try to leave it because I know Desiree doesn't do this, but I couldn't. I had to put my spin on this layout with this. So make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading between 2 to 3 times a week. The still shots are coming up, and I hope you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.